Hello everyone, good evening. Today is गणेश पूजा. गणेश पूजा की बहुत सारे शुभकामनाएं आपको और आपके परिवार को. So this is the second day vlog, and in today's day vlog, what I want to share is that I have made my game up to this level, up to this. I've added some graphics. So let me show you. The main changes that you might be seeing from the last devlog is the uh, trees and the terrain, the stones. So, and I've also added a timer. So, for this particular level, you have to end this level in 10 seconds. Otherwise, this level will reload. So, let me show you what I've done. I have my Unity editor opened, and here I have this canvas element for these two texts, the timer text and the level text. The level text just says level 1 and timer text says the timer, which is basically a countdown of 10 seconds. Uh, Other things I've added are the rock cliffs, which you can see here. The rock cliffs, which are basically obstacles which the player has to avoid. And I've added some mushrooms. I've added a mountain in the background, and I've added trees from the paint trees option of the terrain uh, under the terrain inspector window. And what is my code doing? Well, the code has not changed too much yet. There is only one code that has been added, and the code is added to canvas. And this is the code for timer text. So basically, I keep track of the remaining time. I've serialized this, and I decrease remaining time starting from 10 seconds by time.delta time every frame, and then I divide it by 60 to get the number of minutes passed since the game has started, and then seconds to get the number of seconds using the remainder operator by 60. So divide by 60 will give us minutes, and the remainder is the seconds. So if you go beyond 1 second, so I mean you cross 1 second, or you, as you are starting from 11 seconds and not 10, so in that case we have to reload the level. Basically, you have to play that again. And the string format is extremely confusing. I wanted to show you the Microsoft's official documentation on string format method, but I couldn't understand anything, and I just told to myself that no need to remember the syntax, just use string.format documentation, or I will use this code from my GitHub in future for similar situations. And a reload level is pretty simple. I get the current scene index from scene manager.getActiveScene.build index, and I reload the scene, and I call this reload level if you hit a time below 1 seconds. How does it look? Well, it looks better than my previous devlog, play maximized. I've also added a sound effect. So let me show you. There you go. Reloads. If you cross 10 seconds, the game reloads. So that was my progress in my game Ball Bash till now. I have to add a different font for this Text Mesh Pro. I have to add more obstacles and probably two more levels with a different skybox material, and probably improve the terrain of this level as well. So that's it for today. Have a nice time and goodbye.